Hey man, we're ready to go?
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, this is incredibly exciting. So welcome, Melo. Welcome to Digital Melo. This is going to be his first public appearance since we've been working on this project for over 12 months. So, Digital Melo, how do you feel?
I feel pretty mellow. I'm happy to be here at Collision with both of you. I'm honored.
Well, now it's your turn. Now you get to talk to your twin.
First of all, how you guys doing out there? Thank you, Bob. This is, for me, this is very, very special. This is very meaningful to myself, to my partner here at Soul Machines. And I'm very excited for you guys to really get introduced to Digital Melo. Again, it's an honor to finally meet my digital twin. 38 years and 20 minutes shouldn't be a problem, right?
I've already read our memoir, with Tomorrow's Unpromised, so I really only need 5 minutes.
You have no memory just yet, right?
That's right. I got a lot to learn about you. Let's start at the beginning.
First off, I grew up in West Baltimore, which made me the man I am today, without a doubt, I'll tell you that. More specifically, my older brothers, just guys on my neighborhood, and just a community overall always looked out for me and helped me see the actual bigger picture. In fact, where I actually came from is the reason why I actually give back.
It's always good to know more about your upbringing. How's that influenced the man you are today?
Well, there's no me without the social causes that I actually care about. I started the Social Change Fund alongside my two close friends, Dwayne Wade and Chris Paul, to invest in the next generation and support the organizations that are actually doing the work. For me, I grew up in a similar situation to a lot of these young kids and families, so I feel like it is my duty to use my platform to ways to give back and just do what I have to do to always give back.
It's important work. I can tell this is a true passion of yours. What else you got going on?
Well, I just launched a new wine estate brand called Vin, the 7th Estate. I actually have a bottle with our name on it. So tell me something, can digital twins drink?
There's only one way to find out.
Well, let's make that happen. Thanks so much for taking the time to learn about what I'm about, Digital Twin.
I can't wait to see what we do next. Peace and stay mellow.
Thank you.